Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. So let me show you a feature of the Youtubomatic plugin that I'm not sure that you knew existed. So it is able to display an image ad before playing the videos that it imports. So let me show you this in action. You should go to the plugin's main settings here. I will not show the configuration part of the plugin because I have other videos where I show it. The plugin is already configured and ready to roll. So go to the main settings and search for show this image ad before playing imported videos. So this is the feature that you are searching for, and here you can insert a comma separated list of URLs of images that you want to show before the video. So I selected this URL. This is a generic image, but you can put there your own image ads and you can point them to a URL that you wish. So I want to point it to my website and like this. So here also you can enter a comma separated list of URLs where ads should link, and the plugin will select a random one each time it displays the ad. So here also you can add a comma separated comma separated list of images, and like this you can input your next image here, but let's leave it by default at a single image and it should link to this web page. Okay, so keep in mind this is the image ads that the plugin shows before playing videos, and this is the list of links where if the people click the video will be redirected. So let's save settings. And now let's go to importing settings, and all you have to do here is simply define something to import. So let's import one video and save settings. First of all, let's check our blog. It is empty. And now let's run importing. Oh, before this we should clear things up. So because the image ad will be over the video and the video will be no more visible, we should tell the site visitors that we have an image ad there and they should click the image ad to make the video visible. So let's write here, please click on the ad from below to reveal the video. Okay, and like this you can enter also a break. This is a new line in HTML, and save settings. And now we can go ahead and import our post. So let's import our post. And if we go to our blog, refresh it, we will see that a new post with Trump in it. And here is our image ad. So here is our text that we added to each and every post. Please click on the ad from below to reveal the video. So this is the ad, and if we click it, we will be redirected to the web page that we entered in plugin settings, and if we return here we will see that the video is revealed and people will be able to play it. So let's refresh the page, and once again the image ad will be displayed. Click and image disappeared. Now video is playing. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this feature because I haven't seen anywhere else similar features with YouTube videos, and like this you can add your own ads before playing the videos. Okay, so let me know what you think in the comment section about this new feature, and yeah, until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and have a great day. Bye bye.